So now let's see how we can work around with glyphs inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with glyphs, I need to go around over here onto Windows, and here you can see that glyphs is an option. So once you go around onto glyphs, these are different glyph characters that you can actually access. So let's say, for example, you have a character, but you don't know how to type it. So you can simply go around, grab in a text box right here, and then choose a glyph that you want. Let's say, for example, you can go around and click on this, and this is typed out, as you can see, just like this. Let me just go ahead and change around the size right here, and I can go around, change around the color of this text as well, just like this, and this is what you have. Apart from that, you can go around and choose different sort of glyphs right here from different fonts as well. Let's say, for example, if I were to go to district font right here, then you can see that you can go ahead and choose different type of font right here, and then you can grab in the glyphs as you want right here, just like this. So you can go around and access out many of the elements right here that you don't find regularly on your keyboard, and you can directly go around and insert it out right here. You can expand it, or you can contract it right here. You can choose different font faces right here as well, just like this, and get the glyph that you want. So this is how you can go ahead and then work around with glyphs inside a Photopea. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.